How to enable dark mode on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable dark mode on Android phone. First then open settings and now scroll down until you find here this one, display and brightness, or you can just type here dark mode and here you will find it. Then click on it and here you will find view mode and here you will find the dark mode, and if you want to enable it you will find it like that and then click on it and that's it. Then just go back, it will be saved. And that's how to enable dark mode on Android phone, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.